You see, most people aren't broke because of their bank account. They're broke because of their belief system. So here are 3 ways to raise your financial thermostat. Number 1, hang around people who stretch your thinking. If you hang around 4 broke folks, guess who's going to be the 5th one? You. Proverbs 27:17 says, iron sharpens iron. You can't sharpen iron with plastic. So you need to get in rooms with people who challenge you, who inspire you, and who normalize success. Number 2, get out of your financial comfort zone. Start that business. Ask for that raise. Apply for that promotion. Invest in that new skill or venture. You see, faith without works is dead, and so is dreaming without doing. And number 3, increase your financial knowledge. Hosea 4:6 doesn't say, my people perish for lack of money. It says, my people perish for lack of knowledge. In other words, it's not what's in your wallet that's holding you back. It's what's missing in your mind. So take that course, go to that seminar, read that book, ask questions. What you don't know can hurt you, especially financially. So remember, your circumstances don't set your financial thermostat. You do. The devil doesn't just tempt you spiritually, he also tempts you financially. And he's been using the same 3 money traps since the beginning of time. All of us face temptation when it comes to money, but just because you're tempted doesn't mean you have to take the bait. In Matthew chapter 4, when Jesus was tempted in the wilderness, the devil came at him 3 ways, and those same 3 temptations show up in our finances today. Number 1 is the temptation of instant gratification. Matthew 4:2-3 says, after fasting 40 days and 40 nights, Jesus was hungry. The tempter came and said, if you are the Son of God, tell these stones to become bread. You see, Satan tried to get Jesus to satisfy himself right now outside of God's will. That's the same way he attacks your money. Buy it now, pay later. Swipe the card. You deserve it. Don't wait, get it now. Instant gratification is one of the enemy's sharpest weapons. Number 2 is the temptation to impress people. Again, Matthew chapter 4, verses 5 and 6. It says, then the devil took him to the holy city and had him stand on the highest point of the temple. And he said, if you are the Son of God, throw yourself down. You see, Satan wanted Jesus to show off, to dazzle the crowd, to make people notice him. That's the same temptation he hits us with financially. Buying things we can't afford, to impress people we don't even know with money we don't even have. And lastly, number 3, the temptation of material possessions. Matthew 4:8-9. It says, again, the devil took him to a very high mountain and showed him all the kingdoms of the world and their splendor. And he said, all this I will give to you if you bow down and worship me. So Satan tempted Jesus with material things, power, splendor, and possessions. And he tempts us the same way. Bigger houses, luxury cars, designer labels, all that stuff that whispers to us, if you just had this, you'll be happy. But here's the truth. Stuff can fill your closet, but it can't fill your soul. Let me tell you, the enemy hasn't changed his playbook. He still attacks with quick fixes, with fake status, and empty stuff. But you can resist it. You can say no, just like Jesus did.